Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt that your outfit wasn't flattering you? That somehow it made you look shorter? Or perhaps you, a tall woman, have wanted to appear a bit shorter on certain occasions. Today, we'll explore pieces that can create the illusion of a shorter silhouette and how to use this to your advantage. Think of Miroslava, Duma, and Kristen Bell, small in stature but giants in style. Both are perfect examples of how the right clothing choices can transform your appearance. Miroslava, with her impeccable fashion sense, uses tricks that enhance her elegance without ever looking disproportionate. Kristen Bell, with her charm and always well-chosen looks, shows how it's possible to be petite and incredibly stylish. Let's discover together the secrets these wonderful women use to master their styles, regardless of height. And if you want more tips on becoming an elegant and successful woman, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and leave a like. Also, if you want to be an elegant and sophisticated traveler, check out my ebook, Travel Elegantly: Global Etiquette for the Sophisticated Traveler. The link is in the first pinned comment. Your elegance can be profitable, and I, Carol, am here to show you how. Let's go. 1. Midi length. Some pieces tend to shorten the silhouette, such as the midi skirt and the pantyhose pants. The midi length, which falls between the knee and the ankle, can create this illusion, especially in shorter women. Pantyhose pants, a cropped version of the classic wide-leg trousers, share this characteristic. Mixing elements of shorts, midi skirts, and wide-leg pants, pantyhose offer versatility, but can also visually shorten height. To prevent these pieces from shortening your silhouette, it's essential to consider some style tricks. One effective tip is to wear monochromatic outfits, which help elongate the body's line. Opting for nude shoes, which resemble the skin tone, can also create the illusion of longer legs. Additionally, pairing pantyhose pants with high heels is a great strategy for those who want to appear taller. A perfect example of this is Miroslava Duma. She is a petite woman who knows how to use these tips to her advantage. Miroslava is often seen in midi skirts paired with nude shoes, creating a more elongated appearance. Her impeccable style and smart fashion choices show that it's possible to wear pieces that theoretically shorten the silhouette without losing elegance. Kristen Bell, known for her charm and style, also utilizes these tricks. In one of her appearances, she chose a red midi jumpsuit and paired it with nude heels, elongating her silhouette and proving that even the most challenging pieces can be worn successfully. Although pantyhose pants are hugely popular among fashionistas, they are not universally loved precisely because they tend to shorten the silhouette a bit. So if you're part of the petite team and care about this, it's ideal to combine the pants with very high heels, and those in a skin tone color are perfect for elongating the silhouette. Despite the controversy that pantyhose pants only look good on very slim women, it's important to remember that fashion is inclusive. All women, whether tall, short, curvy, or slim, can wear what makes them feel good. True elegance lies in wearing clothes that make you comfortable and happy, without adhering to rigid rules. The secret is in confidence and knowing how to adapt trends to your personal style. When used wisely, these pieces can enhance your style and personality without compromising the silhouette. There are no fixed rules in fashion, and the most important thing is to feel good and confident in what you're wearing. 2. Large bags. Another item that can shorten your silhouette, especially if you're a petite woman, is a very large bag. Oversized and heavy bags can create the impression that the bag is bigger than you, resulting in a visual imbalance and making your silhouette appear smaller than it really is. Petite women should be mindful of the bag's size, opting for proportions that respect their physical structure. It's understandable that sometimes a large bag is necessary, whether it's for work, where you need to carry documents and electronic devices, or for the beach, where you need space for towels, sunscreen, and other items. A bigger bag can be indispensable. In these situations, the shortening effect can still occur, but it's a practical and temporary necessity. The important thing is to be aware of this impact and to balance the rest of your look to minimize the effect. In everyday life, prefer smaller bags that are proportional to your size. Choosing a medium or small bag can make a big difference in your overall appearance. These smaller bags help maintain a balanced look and can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your outfit. Consider structured bags that hold their shape and don't expand too much, maintaining the proper proportion with your height. For illustration, think of Miroslava Duma. She, being petite, is often seen with bags proportional to her size, never opting for overly large models. This helps maintain the harmony of her look, enhancing her natural elegance. Kristen Bell also follows this rule, choosing smaller bags that complement her stature and style. Remember, true elegance is in the details. Choosing the right bag may seem like a small detail, but it makes a big difference in your overall appearance. Adapting these tips to your personal style and daily needs is the secret to maintaining a harmonious and elegant look, regardless of your height. When choosing your next bag, consider these tips. A bag proportional to your size can not only prevent your silhouette from being shortened, but also enhance your elegance and personal style. After all, fashion is an expression of who we are, and every detail counts in creating the image we want to convey. 3. Long dress combined with closed shoes. Another combination that can shorten your silhouette is a long dress paired with closed shoes. Have you ever noticed when a long dress doesn't quite cover the feet, leaving a bit of the shoe visible? This combination, especially if the shoes have a rounded toe, tends to shorten the silhouette. This happens because the hem of the dress, combined with the edge of the shoes, creates two horizontal lines that interrupt the visual continuity of the leg. To avoid this effect, it's ideal to pair this dress length with sandals that show more of the foot. Thin strapped sandals, for instance, help elongate the foot area, creating a slimmer appearance. Another tip is to choose nude-colored shoes, which blend with the skin tone, further lengthening the leg. The neckline and volume of the dress also play a role. A V-neck, for example, elongates the silhouette, while a higher neckline can shorten it. Narrower dresses tend to shorten the silhouette less, whereas more voluminous ones can shorten it more. Therefore, when combining long dresses with closed shoes, pay attention to these details to avoid shortening the silhouette. Let's look at some practical examples. Kristen Bell knows how to use these tips to her advantage. Notice how she chose a long white dress with thin strapped sandals. This combination elongates her silhouette, demonstrating that the right choice of shoes can make all the difference. The look is elegant, and the proportion is maintained. Another example is Miroslava Duma. She chose a long black dress with cutout details at the waist, paired with sandals that leave the feet exposed. Despite being petite, she maintains the elegance and harmony of the look, avoiding the shortening effect. The choice of open sandals creates a continuous visual line, lengthening her legs and maintaining a balanced appearance. These tips are essential for maintaining elegance and harmony in your look, ensuring that you highlight your silhouette intelligently. With the right choices, you can wear long dresses without fearing that you'll look shorter. 4. Oversized pieces. Another combination that tends to significantly shorten the silhouette is wearing oversized pieces with shorter proportions on the bottom, such as pants or skirts. A classic example is the oversized blazer, that large and wider blazer that looks almost borrowed. The idea behind this blazer is to be intentionally large for everyone who wears it, giving a more casual and modern style. If you have tried one of these blazers and are a petite woman, you probably noticed that it can indeed contribute to shortening your silhouette. However, there are ways to wear oversized pieces that shorten the silhouette less, and others that shorten it more. A combination with the oversized blazer that always shortens significantly and that you should avoid is pairing it with a shorter bottom piece. For example, combining an oversized blazer with pantycourt pants or a midi skirt. This blazer shifts all the visual weight downward, creating an effect that pushes the silhouette down. Meanwhile, the shorter length of the pants or skirt reduces the leg length, making them appear even shorter. The combination of the shorter hem with the weight of the blazer results in a look that significantly shortens the silhouette. To avoid this effect, it's better to opt for longer pants when wearing an oversized blazer. For example, you can pair it with wide-leg trousers or pants that have a longer hem. This helps balance the silhouette, creating a continuous line that visually lengthens the legs. Another trick is to choose high-waisted pants, which also help elongate the lower body. The choice of accessories is also crucial. Heels in nude tones can help lengthen the silhouette, as can using bags proportional to your size. Avoid rounded toe shoes and opt for pointed toes to add a few visual inches to your height. These tips are essential for those who want to wear oversized pieces without compromising elegance and body proportions. With the right choices, you can enjoy the casual and modern style of oversized blazers without worrying about the shortening effect. Now, think about the tips we've explored today. You've learned how midi skirts and pantyhose pants can shorten the silhouette, but with simple tricks like wearing nude shoes or sandals, you can visually lengthen your legs. We've seen that large bags can disproportion your figure, and that choosing smaller bags is a smart move. And, of course, how a long dress with closed shoes can be a mistake, and how open sandals are the best option to maintain your elegance. If you want to continue evolving and becoming an even more elegant and successful woman, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Elegance is profitable, and I am here to help you achieve that success. Don't miss the chance to learn more and master your style once and for all. After exploring how to avoid some pieces that shorten your silhouette, you're now ready to elevate your style in a way that truly highlights your height and presence. But are you following all the fashion rules that really make a difference in your look at 40 plus? If you think you've mastered everything, you might be mistaken. Did you know that there are some fashion rules that are absolutely crucial to revolutionizing your wardrobe and that many women end up ignoring? They can completely transform the way you dress, bringing elegance and sophistication to every look. In the next video, unprecedented fashion rules to elevate your style. At 40 plus, revolutionize your wardrobe. We'll discover these revolutionary rules that can change your style game once and for all. Are you excited for the next video? Then hurry up and discover these fashion rules that will elevate your style at 40 plus. See you there.